Hello everyone, in this video we are going to convert polar equation to Cartesian equation. Recall that x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, and x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. Convert Cartesian equation to polar equation. Write in the standard form of a conic if possible, and identify the conic section represented. Example number 1. R equals to 4 over sine theta plus 7 cosine theta. Recall that x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, and x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. In the example, we could first get rid of fraction by multiplying both sides by the LCD sine theta plus 7 cosine theta. We distribute the r on the left side. We have r sine theta plus 7r cosine theta equals to 4. Note that r sine theta, which is y, plus 7, and the r cosine theta, which is x, equals to 4. Now we have y plus 7x equals to 4, which is a linear equation. We can solve for y by subtracting 7x to both sides of the equation. We have y equals to negative 7x plus 4, and it is a line. Example number 2. R equals to square root of r cosine theta plus 2. Recall that x equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, and x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. Please feel free to pause the video so that you can give this problem a try. Very good. In our example, we can square both sides of the equation. We have r squared equals to r cosine theta plus 2. We can subtract r cosine theta to both sides of the equation. We have r squared minus r cosine theta equals 2. Since we know that r squared equals to x squared plus y squared, and r cosine theta equals to x, now we have x squared plus y squared minus x equals to 2. Now the equation is in terms of x and y. Now we can write it in the standard form of the conic section by arranging the terms so that all the x's will be together and the y's will be together and the constant on the right side. Then we can use the method of completing the square, which we would need the first two terms together on one side of the equation. Then we are going to check the coefficient of x squared. That must be 1. And then we are going to add the b value divided by 2 and then square to both sides of the equation. Since the b value, the coefficient of x, is negative 1, we will use the formula negative 1 over 2 squared, which is 1/4. We need to add 1/4 to both sides of the equation. Then now, the first three terms here, we find that it is a perfect square. As we factor, we will have x minus half square plus y square equals to 9 over 4. And this is a circle. Thank you very much for watching my video.